Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new project on our trailer. I've been looking for one of these for a while now and finally got one. How bad is it? You're about to see. Bam. Looks bad. It is actually bad. This side looks pretty good actually. No damage on the doors here. Quarter panel's good. The rear is good. So this vehicle was purchased through an insurance auto auction. However, that's not the first time it was sold at an auction. Someone bought this before and couldn't figure out how to fix it, or maybe that was too much damage for them. Or they couldn't get it started because this car does not run or drive at the moment. So originally, the first time it was sold, this wheel was completely ripped off. But the previous guy, I guess, put the wheel on, made it look decent to where it would look like it's run and drive, and put it back at the auction. And this is a risk, but I like to take risks like this. So this is not a problem for me at all. So first issue with the car is it does not start. But when I was looking at the pictures online before I was bidding on it, I noticed that the key was not the right key from this car. This is a Max Limited edition, which I ran the VIN and it comes with a remote start, and this key does not have remote start. So therefore, this is the wrong key, and the key is not detected by the car. Now, is it programmed wrong, or the key is wrong and just a random key off a random car? Who knows? But that's issue number one. We'll find out within the next day or two if this key will even work. If not, I'll just get 2 new keys and get that going. Issue number 2 is the main hit was in this wheel. So I was hoping there wouldn't be, but there is some major frame damage right there. And that could be problem number 2. I really don't want to replace the frame unless I really have to. So I'm going to look into some options to see if I can just change the section or something about halfway or something like that. And that way I don't have to pull the whole body off and change the frame. I think we could save it, but we'll see how it goes. This section here is no big deal. It's just sheet metal pretty much. That's not bad. So issue number 2 is the frame right there. That's the biggest crease, dent, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so both doors, quarter panel got messed up too, and the bumper, of course. That sucks. I think insurance company cut that out. I don't know why they do that, but that could have been saved. Well, it is what it is. Also, behind this, I believe, is a body control module on the inside of the car. Right down there. And that was a pretty good hit, so that module might have got damaged. And that may be why they couldn't program the key. That also could be it. But I'll look into it and see what we can do. And issue number 3. Also was hoping not to see this, but the roof got tweaked. It's not bad, but it got tweaked here and on the other side. There. So that was a pretty hard hit. I'm surprised the sunroof didn't shatter. This is exactly what I wanted though. It's the Max Limited 2018 or newer, and this is a 2018, and it has a hitch so I could pull the boat, trailer, anything like that in the future. And white is nice. It'll stay clean, but it does need some work, or a lot of work actually. Going on the inside, all the airbags blew, every single one of them. Steering, dash, both curtains, both seats. I think the seat belts might be good, but I'm not sure. I'll have to scan it. The battery's completely dead, key's not programmed, so I haven't looked into anything crazy yet, but there it is. Heated, cooled seats. It's got the captain seats, another thing I wanted. And the interior is pretty clean. And there's that body control module I was talking about. I'm pretty sure it took a hard hit and it might be a goner, but we'll see. So this will be a short video of the new build. First step, we'll see if we can get it started next week. Program some keys, change some modules if we have to, whatever we gotta do to get it running. Once it runs, we'll go further and start buying parts, doors, frames, whatever we gotta do. Hoods. Hood got messed up. Parts are expensive for these, but I think I got a pretty good deal on this car, so I got some wiggle room. And that wheel looks crooked as can be. The previous guy didn't even put the axle in or anything, so right now it's two-wheel drive, and you can see he just kind of welded and cut the control arm under there just to make it look decent. And this is a problem when you're buying off any kind of auction that's not being sold by an insurance company. It's already been tampered with just to make it look decent. And for people that don't know about it, they just jump on it and think it's a good deal and stuff like that. But then there's problems like the frame, and stuff like that. Which to me, that's no big deal because everything's replaceable, everything's fixable, as long as there's room in the price still to work with. But that'll be it for this video. On the next video, hopefully we can get this thing running, and we'll see how it goes. But so far, that's it. Later.